Welcome to the instruction video for Hippo Chow Down. Alright, so in this box here, in our accessory box, we'll have our vest. We should have 4 vests total in here. Inside of this box will be our helmets. These are brand new, so they're still in the wrapping. Most likely they won't by the time you get them. We'll have all of our accessory balls and a ball pump in case we need to air them back up more. Behind the banner, we have a tube here and patch. Should already be connected there. So this is the black back plate here, and then it should be locked in where it can't come out and detach from the bungee. Should never be a normal sandbag carabiner. This needs to be either a locking carabiner or a clip just like this that it can't ever come off. Gotta stuff it back through there. Make sure it's all good. We have our back plates with our locking either carabiner or clip that can't come off, and our bungee cord for each station. Behind the banner here is our access. Just open up like that. Then what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to stick your arm and kind of poke it through there. Once you get a good way through there, go ahead and open your clip, put the bungee in it, make sure you're closed all the way. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on the inside and pull from the other side of this cord, and you'll see it straighten right out. There we go. We got it pulled, and if we go back to the other side, that plate should be flush. Just like that. We'll close it right up. And again, and we'll repeat all 4, like all those steps on all 4 sides, on all 4 hippos. Inside of your box here, you'll have your 4 vests that you checked that you had at the warehouse. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw those on the inside. So green to green, orange to orange, yellow, blue to blue. Then I'm gonna go ahead and set my stuff up here. Throw my balls in the center. And if any are deflated, I'll go ahead and pump them up with the included pump. These all feel fine, so we're good on that. Then our 4 helmets in our box, I'm gonna take and put next to our entrance so all participants can put these helmets on when they're playing. Just like that. All right, so on the back end of your vest, you should have your end links or your locking carabiners. Open it up all the way. Grab the color correspondent bungee. Make sure you pull it tight to make sure it's still connected well. Clip it in. Make sure you twist it lock. That way, there's no way of that coming off. There we go. I'm gonna do that on all 4 sides. Now for putting on the harness, I'm gonna loosen it up. It'll go right over your head. And you have your clips. One side. And then should be good. Oh. Point of the game is from back here, you try to reach in, grab the balls, bring them back to your bag. Just like any game of Hungry Hungry Hippos. All right, now for takedown procedures after your event, we'll take off the vest first. Just unclip it from the bungee. And then we want to make sure this ring stays on the harness, not on the bungee. Lock it back down so it can't get lost. And we're gonna do that on all 4 sides. Next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my box just inside here. Put all my harnesses inside. Making sure I got all my end links on there. I'll go ahead and throw the balls in also. There we go. And that's all good. When letting the air out of this unit, we want to make sure everything folds towards the center. Layout rolling for larger circle inflatables. And this is exactly how we're going to roll up this unit, just like all those others. Hold and roll. We're going to go over. There we go. Walk out our edge towards our straps. Go all the way over for far. Go. Just like that.